Hey guys, Charles from Tin Man Metalworks here. I have a pretty popular file. It's some golfer monograms. They're pretty hot sellers on my Etsy, so I thought I would show you guys how I make mine and give you some tools to make your own. So basically, I just have all these, female golfers, and then I made a few backing plates for them, is what I call it, I guess. So kind of like a template. So I'm just going to open up my template here. Open this up so we can get at it real good. And then, so I have several of these, but here's one of them. And I'm going to give this to you at the end of this video, so pay attention. So then I just grab one of these golfer ladies and, I'll put her in here. I mean, you can do lots of things with her. You put her wherever you want, but let's just slap her in here. And even sometimes I have found that if you have them like this where they kind of poke out of the circle, people kind of like that. So anyway, we're just going to put that in here somewhere maybe like that. And then we're just going to highlight the whole thing. And then we're just going to go up here to Path and Union. Then we're going to personalize it. So we're just going to double click it, bring up all the nodes. We're going to highlight everything in the middle here and just delete it. Then you can go over here and grab your text tool and, put in, you're going to personalize it, right, for whomever it is. So you're just going to type out your text here. I need to fix that because mine shows up crazy small. I like working with green because, I don't know. Oh, I turned my opacity down the other day, so let's turn that back up. That was annoying. So then you're just going to put your name in here of whomever you're making this thing for. Then you can just highlight it like this. Center it. Select it, hold shift, hold your backing plate, go up here to path, hit difference. Now that cut it out, and then you got to just bridge your letters. So we're going to hit the plus key to zoom in a little bit, and we are just going to bridge our letters so that they don't fall out. Just draw a little box there, right click, duplicate, bring it over here to the A. I'm going to shorten that up a little bit. Double click it to bring up the little arrow so you can turn it. Just put it over there like that. And while holding shift, click your backing plate, come up here to path and click union. Do the same thing here with the B. And then I like to double click these and get rid of these little nodes that we created. There's a little notch there because you never get that bridge on there perfectly straight. So just bring up your node tool, highlight them, and hit the delete key. Now that thing's ready to send over to your cut table. Just size it by hitting your selection tool here, highlight this. I like working in pixels or millimeters, 100 million, 1,000 millimeter big. I hate that. So anyway, this one is currently, about 10.5 inches. So let's say you want to cut this out 24 inches. Just hit this lock aspect ratio button here. Highlight this. Come over here, hit 24 inch. Boom. Just going to hit the minus key to back out of that. Then just click Save As, throw it over into, I use SheetCam, so I throw mine in my SheetCam folder, create a cut file, send it to my table, and cut it out. Anyway, we're just going to back up by holding Control and hitting Z several hundred times. And if you want to do another one, you're just going to grab, you're just going to grab a different female golfer from here. Just put her up in there wherever you want to do it. Make her the size you want. Hit the mirror button if you're so inclined. Looks like she's going to pop it on over to that hole. Highlight both of them. Path, union. Just zooming in with the plus key. Double clicking it to bring up the nodes. Highlight them, delete them. Put in whatever name you want and send it over to your table. Make you some money. I'm going to leave a couple of these files in the description for free. And if you want to buy the whole file pack, I'll post that too. I have a female golfer set and a male golfer set. They're really big sellers on my Etsy, so, and really big sellers in life. Like I sell them all summer long, so something to keep in mind. Anyway, thanks for stopping by. If you guys have any ideas or anything that you want to see a video on, just leave it down in the comments. I'll see if I can get to it. Thanks, guys. Have a good one.